Hey loves, happy holidays. I am back with another tutorial. So this tutorial will be an everyday glam. This is my version of an everyday glam. So if you are interested, please stay tuned, keep watching, and do not forget to subscribe. So right now I am just basing my eyelids with concealer. You can use eyeshadow primer if you like, but I prefer concealer. Then I'm going to go in with a brown eyeshadow because that's what I do on an everyday glam. I do a nice chocolate brown eyeshadow or like a light brown eyeshadow. But again, it's whatever you prefer. I will tag the local makeup artist whose brand this is. I can't remember who palette this is, but I will make sure that I tag them below. Again, so what I'm doing is I'm patting the color into the lid so I can make sure that the pigment is really showing. And then once I pat it on, I go in with a circular motion, just like a windshield wiper motion, just to make sure that everything is blended neatly. Do not take it up to the brow bone. Just take it right there in the crease to make sure that it's a really nice gradient effect from the brow to the lid. Once we check out our eyeshadow and make sure that it is looking the way that we want it to look, I'm going to go in with my foundation. Today I'm using the Shade Stick from Juvia's Place. I will tag the actual color below because my camera wasn't focusing, so I will make sure that I tag that below. Once I apply it all over the face, I'm going to make sure I apply it all over the face evenly. I don't use a lot because for my everyday glam, I don't like a full beat. Just in general, I like a skin-like finish. So once I get done distributing all of the product onto the face, I'm going to pat the product in with a fluffy brush. And I'm going to make sure I'm patting it all over. You don't really have to do it up under the eyes because we're going to use concealer. But you want to take it below the chin, on the neck, near the ears, like everywhere. You want to make sure that your neck and your décolleté is matching the face, okay? Do not just put it all over the face, y'all. Make sure that you are putting it everywhere, up under the chin, on the neck, near the ears, everywhere. And that little light spot that y'all see, that's my birthmark. So that's not me missing it. It's just my birthmark, okay? Okay, back to the beat. So we're going to blend for dear life for about 3 hours. No, I'm just playing. But once we get done blending the foundation out, we're going to go in with the concealer. The concealer should always be about 2 shades lighter than you. Like some girls like to go 3 shades, but I like to do like maybe 2 shades lighter than me. And if I'm feeling like extra spicy, I might do like a lighter one on top of this concealer. So once I apply the concealer, I'm going to do the concealer in all of the highlighted areas of my face. So that's under my eyes, like everywhere that you see me applying it. Once I get done applying it, I'm going to make sure that I blend it out. But what I love to do is sculpt the brows first before I actually blend out, so I can just blend everything out. Like, look, y'all. It takes skill to do that brow the way that, like, look at the brow. Okay, but it did take practice. It did take, excuse me, I'm fumbling over my words, child. It did take practice because my friends and those who know, they know where I came from when it came to the brows. So the fact that I'm able to perfect my brows the way I'm able to perfect my brows now is a blessing. And it came with a lot of practice, okay? But anywho, once I sculpt those brows, then we're going to blend. And when I say blend, I mean we're going to blend for dear life, okay? Blend for dear life. Okay. Anywho, while I'm blending this out, how about y'all let me know in the comments, what is your favorite things to do when you're doing your makeup? Like, what is the favorite part of your everyday glam? Like, what is it that you need to make sure that you need to have before leaving the house? Like, what is it that you have to have on or what you have to do before you leave the house? Like, comment below and let me know because I'm curious to know. Also, happy holidays, y'all. Like, we are going into 2025. Like, that is crazy to me. That's insane. It's such a blessing. Like, times have truly changed, but it is such a blessing to be able to go into the new year. It really is. And I'm just praying that this year brings nothing but great great blessings for all of us, okay? Y'all just seen me move my hands. Okay, look. That blending is a job. Y'all seen that poster where it says cardio is my blending? I mean, cardio is my... No. Get it together. Blending is my cardio. Because, baby, these hands be hurting after all of this. Just imagine taking clients, too. That's why you don't see a lot of makeup artists doing makeup every day. Because it is truly a job doing makeup. Like, jeez. Anywho. But as y'all see, I'm still blending. But after I get done blending and everything is the way that I need it to be, I'm going to go in with a powder puff. Going to smooth everything out. Like I'm going to follow behind the brush and smooth everything out. And then I'm going to start setting my face with my Sacha buttercup. That's what I use. My Sacha buttercup setting powder. I love that. I love that setting powder. Like, it's literally going to always be in my kit. Like, there's so many different options out there for setting powder, but this is the holy grail for me. I don't think I will ever get rid of Sacha's buttercup, okay? After I get done setting this, I'm going to bronze my face with Juvia's Place Dark palette. This is a holy grail, like, for bronzing and for, like, eyeshadow. It's so... I love this product. Like, I love this product. But once I get done contouring, I won't say contouring because it's not harsh. So I'm bronzing my face. Contouring is more when you're sculpting the face. Bronzer is when you're just warming the face up, okay? So now I'm going in with my blush binder palette from the crayon case. And I'm using that light pink that's in the binder. Look, y'all. That binder has about, if not 12 or more colors in there. Like, you can do your whole face with that one palette, okay? Like, I love it. So go check out the crayon case when y'all get a chance. I just set it my face with the Makeup Revolution holding spray. 16-hour holding spray, I believe. Fire. And then I went in and I'm going to use that Milani's 3-color palette. You can get that from your local drugstore or Ulta Beauty. And I'm just putting it all over the face. I love me a good highlight, baby. I'm not going to ever get rid of putting highlight on my face. I don't care if it's 2016 style or what. I'm going to highlight my face, okay? Now, I probably overdid it with the upper lip. I know I did, but go here with me. Yeah, I'm lining my lip. So it's not going to be showing that much. But I'm lining my lip with the Trendsetter. Yeah, it's called Trendsetter Chocolate Pencil by Morphe. I think they discontinued it. I think they discontinued it. I'm not sure. I'm sorry if they did. But I think I did hear that they discontinued it. But it's really a nice brown. But don't worry about it. I got something coming for y'all soon. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. But now I'm about to go in and put Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss by NYX, which is another holy grail, baby. Okay? So I put that right on top of Trendsetter. Look at the blend, y'all. Look how good look at my lips, y'all. Like, what? Baby, please. After that, I'm going to go in with my 24-hour long wear eyeliner, gel eyeliner pencil by Urban Decay. When I tell y'all this is worth every cent, it's high end. It is a high end gel liner, but it is worth every penny, okay? And you can sharpen it, so you don't have to worry about it falling. It's literally the best thing I could have ever invested in when it comes to high end brands, okay? Like, look at that face, y'all. Like, smooth like butter. I love me a cute little pop in the inner corner. Look, I'm talking to I'm talking to the video as if it's not me doing this makeup. I'm gonna do lashes today. I'm just gonna do mascara because for me personally, lashes is not a necessity for me. Like, I don't need lashes every day. because I love me a good mascara. Like, just give me a good mascara where I can enhance my natural lash and we'll be good, okay? But look at this final look, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Love it. Love it down. Okay, y'all, I'm done. Thank y'all so much for watching.